Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to generate Cypress test code using AI directly inside Visual Studio Code. No need to write every test manually. AI can now understand your test steps and create Cypress scripts in seconds. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and let's see how you can save time and write Cypress test smarter with AI. So let's begin. First, add the extension. Here you can view option extensions. This is the shortcut key Control plus Shift plus X, which is used for opening extensions. Click on this one and write here code GPT. After typing, you can view code GPT. Click on this extension and here install option are available. You can click on this install and here you can view manage installed specific version. If you want to install a specific version, so you need to click on this versions and this all versions are available. You can select versions to install. For now, click on install. After clicking on install, it will install this extension. After installing, we can check code GPT version by CMD. Now, extension is installing. Here, some details are you can view code GPT, the only AI assistant that truly understands your entire code base. By using this extension, you can generate code. Now, here option available, you can disable this extension and uninstall option available. You can uninstall or you want to install a specific version, so you can also install a specific version. Now, check whether this extension is installed or not. For checking the version of code GPT, open CMD and then click on OK, maximize window, and then enter the command here for checking the version of code GPT, code dash dash list dash extensions dash dash show dash versions. This is the command for checking all the versions of the extension. If you want to find the specific version of any extension, so you can also find. Now click on enter, it will show you all the versions of the extension. Suppose you want to only view the version of code GPT, so you can also find, enter here, find double quote code GPT. Now it will show you only the specific version of code GPT. Now, I will show you how you can generate the code by using code GPT. Open VS Code, click on Explorer. After clicking on Explorer, and right click on E2E, and then enter file name here, login.cy.js. Now, here you can view generate code control plus I. This is the shortcut key, or select language control plus K M. Now, just click on control plus I. Here, enter the text. Suppose you want to write the test cases of this login page. User will navigate to this URL and enter username, password, and then click on login button. After clicking on this login button, home screen will be displayed. Enter here username and then enter password here. Enter password and then click on login. After login, you can view this inventory page is displayed. Now, enter here, write a Cypress test for login functionality on sourcedemo.com. Make sure you are logging with GitHub. As you can view here, GPT 4.1, and then click on just send. After clicking on send, you can cancel and it will write the code. As you can view, writing the code. Now, here two options are available. Either you can accept or close, or you can rerun. And here more actions are available. View in chat. You can also view in chat, toggle changes, configure inline chat. For accepting, just click on this accept and save this file. As you can view, this is the script for login base URL. For navigating to this URL, you need to enter URL. This is the base URL, and this is the test case. Should login successful with valid credentials. This is the first test case for login with valid credentials, and this is the second case for invalid credentials. Now, here two test cases, and this is the assertions also available. You can view slide dot contains products. This products should be visible. Here products, this text should be displayed after login into this website. And here you can view, this is the second assertions. Username and password do not match. This text should be displayed if the user enter invalid credentials, invalid username and wrong password. Now, controls S to save this file, and we can run the test. For running the test, enter command here npx Cypress open. It will open the Cypress. After opening this Cypress, we need to select a file. Just click on enter and it will open this Cypress, and we need to select this file, which is login. Maximize window. Cypress is opening. Make sure save this file for reflecting changes, and open Cypress. Click on configured E2E testing. In previous tutorial, I have explained in our detail, so you can watch these videos. Initializing configuration, click on, this is the browsers available if you want to run the test on Chrome. So you can select here Chrome and here Edge, Electron. For now, click on start E2E testing, maximize window, and here our file name is login. So we need to select this file. Click on login. Your tests are loading, and here tests are loading. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and login with valid credentials. After login with valid credentials, it will try to login with invalid credentials. As you can view, enter invalid username, invalid password. And here we can view all the options. First, visit and get 200 index.html. This is index.html page. And scroll down. This is the assertions. You can view here. This product's expected text should be displayed in product page. That's how you can easily generate Cypress code using AI in VS Code. No more wasting time typing repetitive code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Keep testing smarter and see you in the next video.